Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Abeel Ahmed, CEO and Principal of Abeel School of Accountancy. I really welcome all of you in my SBR orientation for the session March 2026 and June 2026. Number one, the orientation is not going to be very long at all. What exactly in this orientation we are going to cover? One thing we'll be covering in this orientation, that is what exactly ASA, Abeel School of Accountancy, offers you in SBR. What actually makes SBR of ASA so unique, different from others, easier easier than others, and what actually makes ASA SBR so interactive, interesting. So let me explain each and everything. This is what we are going to cover in this SBR orientation. First of all, so far, highest marks in SBR taken by one of my students, they are 87. Previously, the highest marks, there were 83. Now, 87, they are the highest marks. Now, what exactly we covered in SBR? Number one point. Entire SBR means entire SBR just within 90 lectures. 90. It is not only that within 90 lectures we cover SBR. The good point is point number two. Each lecture, on average, it is just 45 minutes long. Just 45. So lectures, it means that lectures are not very long at all, because this is my experience and this is the experience of my entire, I would say, think tank. When the lecture duration even exceeds 1 hour, it goes around 1.5 to 2 hours, students, they just lose their concentration. That is why the entire team of ASA, we come up with the solution. The solution we found is the lecture should be 45 minutes long, not more than that. So each lecture is just 45 minutes long, which means that if you are watching my lectures with a little bit increased speed, then you can simply bring down one lecture from 45 to just 35 minutes. Just imagine if the one lecture on average is just 35 minutes long, number one, which means that within 30 days, you can complete the entire SBR. Wow, the job is done. Wow. Next point. The next point, weekly live revision classes. And let me tell you one thing, this is the history of ASA. We don't miss our weekly live revision classes. So you will be getting a weekly live revision classes. Due to any reason, if you are unable to attend the live revision class, then on the same day, recording will be uploaded on the portal. But these weekly live revision classes, they actually give you the opportunity to have the interaction with the tutor. Plus, you can just raise whatever queries you have. You can just get the instant answers on your queries. One more thing, we conduct at least 10 tests. Well, I'm not going to check your test. Let me tell you. The procedure is you're going to attempt the test. After that, we will share a proper video debrief with you, and you are going to check your test by yourself. You will be getting a proper answer of that test. You will be getting my video debrief on that test. So you have to evaluate yourself. Just imagine 10 tests at SBR level. Wow. You will be getting the detailed notes. You can say long notes, but story does not end here. You will also be getting the smart notes, or you can say that short notes. Now, what we have done in these smart notes and short notes, actually, in each IS and IFRS, what exactly is extremely important. We have taken out that thing from the long, I would say, notes, and we made a separate notes, which are very short notes. And to be very honest, I would say once you have seen all of my lectures, then even due to these short notes, you can revise the entire SBR within 2 hours. But obviously, first you have seen all the lectures, you have attended the weekly live revision classes. Then by using my short notes, you can revise the entire SBR just within 2 hours. The story does not end here. A very interesting product, which we have just included in our previous attempt. Or what is that product? The product number 7, which ASA gives you. That is a crash course, which is included within the course. And this crash course is specifically on consolidation. There are 7 classes on consolidation, but that's a crash course, which is separate from the 90 lectures. And within this 7 classes consolidation crash course, what we have done, first 2 classes, they cover all the concepts of consolidation. And the 5 other classes, in each class we have covered one proper recent attempt SBR past paper consolidation question, which we have done on a CB platform. And the interesting thing is the entire consolidation crash is just 7 hours long, not more than that. First 2 hours, the revision of all the concepts of consolidation, and the 5 more hours means 5 questions from the recent attempt of SBR. Just imagine that you have seen all the 90 lectures, you are taking weekly live revision classes, and you have attempted, let's say, 10 tests as well. And now you're also watching a 7-hour crash course on consolidation. Wow. Just 7 hours. And you know that consolidation means 30 marks. Okay. So first 2 lectures, each lecture 1 hour long, that's it. Where we covered all the concepts of the consolidation. 5 more classes means 5 more hours. In each class, we have covered one proper recent past paper consolidation question on CB platform. In addition to that, the story does not end here. You will also get the grand live revision class on SBR. There's a WhatsApp support. And let me tell you one thing. That is my claim. The best WhatsApp support, Alhamdulillah, ASA gives you. Nobody can beat us in our WhatsApp support, not possible. Why? No teacher assistant at all. All the queries directly, I am going to answer your queries. No teacher assistant at all. So it means whatever you are asking regarding SBR, your tutor is going to reply. And our WhatsApp support and the response time, I'm telling you, it is the best in the entire world. That's my claim. Nobody can beat this, I would say, WhatsApp support. Okay. Now, what else? Let me write one more product. This product is mock with proper debrief. At least 12 to 15 days before the exam, we are going to conduct your mock. And let me tell you, your mock, I'm going to personally check your mock, number 1. You will be getting a proper debrief on that mock. Third, you will also be getting a personalized feedback on that mock. Now just imagine, if at least 12 to 15 days before the exam, you are sitting in a mock of SBR where your tutor is personally checking that mock and giving you the personalized feedback, that massively will increase your chances of getting really good marks in SBR in first attempt. Plus, story does not end here. In our live classes, we also discuss the pre-seen ACCA mock First, we give you the opportunity, attempt the pre-scene mock of SBR, and then we will be discussing that pre-scene mock during live revision classes. So ACCA pre-scene mock in our live classes, we also discuss this. Obviously, in one class, we will not be discussing the entire ACCA pre-scene mock. We conduct around at least 3 classes. So let's say in first class, I discuss the consolidation, then the question number 2, and then I'll be discussing our rest of the 2 questions. So the point is, this is what exactly I would say ASA offers you, the 11 products. Now just imagine. And let me tell you, within these 90 lectures, entire SBR gets completed. Okay. And within that 90 lecture, you will be getting plenty of practice videos also. But we have done one more thing for you. What is that? In addition to those 90 lectures, if you feel that you need to go, you need to have more practice videos. So look at this. You have around 15 hours practice videos are also there, which are again in addition to 90 lectures. So the point is, in SBR, students, you just need to do one thing. What we offer you, just go through these lectures. That is more than enough. Watch all the lectures, give all the tests, sit in all the live revision classes. If you are unable to sit in during the if you are unable to attend live revision classes, of course, on the same day, your lectures, they are uploaded on the portal. But just imagine, if you have gone through all the 10 tests, pre-scene mock, ASA mock with a personalized feedback, with a debrief, and then you will be finally going towards your main paper. So obviously you will get really, really good marks. You will have a better chance even to get more than 87 marks in SBR. Okay, now let me just quickly write my WhatsApp number of ASA admin so that whoever wants to contact, and let me right just a minute. Okay, students, I have written ASA admin numbers. Those students, they are outside Pakistan. For you, the number is 0092 328 284 6117. These are WhatsApp numbers. You can WhatsApp us. All our WhatsApp numbers, you can WhatsApp us. This is, if you are within Pakistan, you can just dial 0328 284 6117. Another admin number is, again, if you are outside Pakistan, 0092 333 3666 214. Within Pakistan, 0333 3666 214. And let me tell you one thing. Just imagine, the lectures are not very long, number one. You're getting a WhatsApp support, the best in the entire world. There will be 10 tests, mock with a personalized feedback, ACCA pre-scene mock. First you are going to attempt, then we'll be attempting the entire ACCA pre-scene mock during our live classes, weekly live revision classes, and so many other things are there. So just enroll yourself, and to be very honest, and after that, and plus you will be also getting the study planner also. You just need to enroll yourself at my college, and the rest, just follow the study planner and all the instruction, which obviously I'll be providing you time by time on a timely basis. I can assure you, you will be getting you are going to get really good marks in SBR. So thank you very much that you people have taken out time for watching this SBR orientation for the session March 26th and June 26th. Thank you very much. Hope to see you in my live revision classes. Thank you. And obviously in my regular classes.